In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install or download and install Epson L210 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. So here at the Google Chrome search bar, please type for Epson L210 driver and then hit the enter key, and in that way you would be able to be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first result that is being offered to you under Epson.com, and kindly wait until you would be navigated to the page where you can see the Epson L210 printer driver. Once you are here, please proceed to downloads, click on it to refresh the page, and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can changed or where you can detect or where you can set your operating system, which is the Windows 11. So all you need to do is you need to wait until this would be this process would be finished. Okay, so once it's here, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on go to proceed, and wait again for a couple of few minutes until it would be refreshed and until we can see our driver. So I would suggest to click on downloads to ensure that the page would be refreshed. Once done, navigate directly to drivers, click on it, and proceed to printer driver. Once you have selected the printer driver, click on download, and you will get a new window where it asks you to agree on the license agreement. Okay, click on accept, and once you have accepted it, navigate to the download icon, check the download progress, and once it is being successfully downloaded, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, in this window, you need to proceed by copying and pasting it to the desktop. So how we can do so, make a right click on cut, and close the window as well as this one, and here at the desktop, make a right click again and go with paste. Okay, so once you have moved it to the desktop, you need to proceed on the extraction of this file. So there are two ways on how to do such. You can you can double tap to extract it or unzip it, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this application. So just have to scroll down and proceed to the second to the last option where you can get this option called WinRAR. Once it's here, go with extract to L210 and kindly wait until it's extracted. Once done, okay, you need to check if a new file folder has been created here at the desktop. If it's taking some time to show up, okay, you can manually check it to the File Explorer. So once here, please navigate to the Start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up your settings window. Okay, so here we're at the settings. Navigate to the left side where you can get a list of the options. Please proceed to Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, please choose for printers and scanners. Click on it. And from here, you can get an option where you can add device. Click on it and kindly wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it, directly click on it. And the moment this window would show up, please proceed on add the local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. Set it and click on next and go with have disk. And click on browse. Start your desktop. Then we need to navigate there. Go with the desktop. Scroll down. Okay. Please proceed to the extracted file. Double tap to it. Double tap. Double tap. and it will show you the driver. Please click on open to place it and click on OK. So eventually it would be placed here. Click on next and you can rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it Epson L210. Click on next and it will now start in the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next and go with finished. And there it is. You have successfully installed Epson L210 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.